Hello guys, this is Ansab and you are watching the Ansab YouTube channel. So welcome to my new course on web hosting tutorial. So let's begin. So guys, this is the introduction video of this course, and in this video I will tell you that what you are going to see in this course. So let's see the things which I am going in this course. So this is my web hosting tutorial for complete beginners, and basically in the first video we will see the introduction of web hosting, what is web hosting and why do you need a web hosting. And continuing to the second video, I will show you the common terms that we use in web hosting. So these are the terms which I have written here, but I can add or remove some content from this course. So in third video we will see some web hosting companies and my review, and I will also show you the trick of the first year low price that company shows to us, and I will also show you the how to get a free domain for your hosting. So in this course I am going to use a web hosting company that is infinity free, because it is really free, and it has also good features in its free version. But I won't recommend you to use free domains for your real website. Use paid web hosting because they are more reliable, and they have good support. So I will tell you how to get a free domain. I'm using free because this is just a course, so for this I'm going to use free. But if you are going to use a website for your like for your business, just go for paid hosting, don't go for free hosting. And I will tell you to introduction to cpanel, and I will also show the demo of a fully featured cpanel, because in free version we will get to use a basic cpanel, but I can show you the demo of a fully featured cpanel. And in another video I will also show you how to use file manager and how to upload your website. And I will also show you how to create email account, create subdomains, and I will also show you in the last video how to install WordPress. So basically this is the content I'm going to show you in this course, but I can add more content if I get. I will surely add more content in this course, but for now this is the thing which I'm going to show you in this course. So stay tuned, and I will upload like 2 videos every week of this course. So just subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video, comment and share this video friends who want to learn web hosting. Those were complete beginners. So bye, meet you in next video.